Drink water. No. Drink caffeine. Hello. Hi. Hey. I'm full of energy. Welcome back to another video where I turn myself into blonde Ariana Grande. The cutest person alive, and I absolutely love her long, luscious ponytails. I have quite a bit of hair. You're probably wondering why more hair. Sometimes I get FOMO and I just really wish I could do something different with my hair except cut it. I don't want to cut it. I'm going to be testing out a few ponies from insert name here hair and a couple of pony options from Amazon. We're just going to have a real hairy party out here. What? Let's just do it. I have really long hair and really thick hair, which doesn't really go well with extensions. Also isn't necessary. Did you ever just get that feeling where you want to change your hair, but I do not want to cut it? I did that once. I had long hair, then I cut it, and it was a drastic change and instantly regretted it. Granted, I was 8 years old and ended up with this like bob white girl afro. Wasn't a good time. I haven't done it since. Spent so long growing my hair, so I just don't want to cut it. But I also want to know what it's like to have hair extensions. I'm really not that interested to pay a lot of money to make my hair longer, heavier, and thicker. Right now, the Ariana Grande long ponytail hair thing is really in. And super duper extra long hair extensions are also in. So I was like, you know what? Now's the time. Always loved Ariana Grande and wished I was her. Just kidding. I don't. That's super weird. I always wear my hair up like this in a ponytail and it's nice. Ariana's hair is just goals. And you know what? Now it's accessible. Instagram has been flooding my feed with all these hair extension ads, specifically clip-in ponytails. After seeing this ad 38 times, I decided to pull the trigger. I bought one and then thought, what if this color isn't right? So then bought another one. Then thought to myself, what if it's not good? So then I went on Amazon and bought another one. And then I thought, why not just try regular extensions? So then bought those as well. 4 sets of extensions later, here we are. My desk is so hairy right now. This is the Maya pony from insert name here hair. That's a mouthful. This one I think sits at 26 inches long. Paid $45 for this. It's synthetic fiber, but feels very much like real hair. It did come kind of crimped. They say online if you straighten it, it'll lose its volume, but I don't need volume. Look at me. Look at all this hair. Initially, I wasn't sure what color to purchase. I don't know what hair color actually is. So I DM'd them on Instagram. They said, send me some pictures of your hair and we'll help you pick the right color. They said, get the champagne blonde. It's so yellow blonde. I'm not yellow blonde. I was skeptical, but trusted them. I trusted wrong. Basically how this works is you've got a clip, you have your extra little piece of weird hair thing sticking out here, so then you can wrap it around so you can't see that you've got this big mound of fake hair on your head. Use that clip to just smush that into your ponytail, and then you go ahead and tie that around there. You just wrap this part around the top here, keep wrapping it, you secure it with a bobby pin, like so. Voila! You can kind of see my natural hair underneath. You can clearly see that it's a different color. I absolutely hate the color, but I do like the hair. It's like mid-back. It's just super yellow. It's also really only a little bit longer than my actual hair, maybe an inch and a half longer. I don't know what inches are, around 4 to 5 centimeters. Alternatively, if you don't have long, thick hair, you probably could put your hair in a bun, secure this around the bun. There is no way I could get this around my hair in a bun. So I'm gonna go about this method. Came with this bag, I guess, to store it in, which is kind of a nice touch. I appreciate small details, so that's nice. I don't have much else to say about it. Can't dye it. It's synthetic hair, you can't expect too much, but it's pretty cheap considering. Moving on to the next one. This pony that I got from Amazon from this brand Chica. It came in this little bag here. It also came wrapped in a hairnet. Actually, all of them came in a hairnet. I got it in platinum blonde. As you can see, it's super platinum, very white. My hair looks like a dirty gray color in comparison. Rather devastating. It is what it is. Same design. It's pretty well about the same length. Super smooth and straight. I didn't apply any heat or straighten it. This one is so much longer. This piece here, which I hate, and I'm gonna show you why. This one I purchased for I think $9 US, delivered in like 2 days. It was fantastic, so significantly cheaper for good reason. I think putting this on your head sucks. It's really not that bad. I swear I'm usually a pro at this. Pony is sitting super weird on my head. The color is outrageous and it looks really wrong, especially if my actual hair shows through. Super noticeable. And if you can see here, this piece is so long and floppy, folds really weird and doesn't look natural. If you've got a bun underneath, maybe this will stand up better. For the price, pretty great, but you will not catch me wearing this one, ever. If anyone is in the market, it's all yours. Okay, it's super tangled. Rip. Let's have a look at the Amazon clip-in extensions. They were between $9 and $11, I think. I will link it all in the description if you're curious. I got these in the shade blonde, ash gray blonde, and oh my goodness, are they close? They are almost the same. That was a big win. Again, it's synthetic hair. I mean, I paid next to nothing for them, and they're clip-in. You just pop that on the head. Secure your clips. Okay, so to turn regular hair extensions into a ponytail extension, we're doing it. We're really doing it. We're going all in. You take the hair out, you separate it out. Instead of putting the extensions in this way going down, oh, there it goes. Okay, all the extensions are now on the floor. You do want to put them going up, and then you just do that with all of them and put them around your head. For the top ones, you just put them in the same direction, and then it just blends into your regular hair, and then you just pop your hair up in a ponytail. The hard part with this is you do need to hide the clips. Given I have so much more hair, I probably should secure a second hair tie in it, but I'm about to take this out anyways, so I'm not gonna do that. This is really poorly put up, actually, looking in the viewfinder, so that's a real good time. This just looks like my hair. It blends in really well. As long as you hide it well, no one will see. I didn't put all of the clips in. I've still got a few. I find that I don't need all the clips. It comes with 8 4 clip, 2 3 clips, 2 1 clips, 3 2 clips, I believe. This one looks the most natural. It's just so much more of a pain to do. Also, if you don't have a lot of hair, this might not work for you. The pony's not as thick. It doesn't have as much hair. It's relying on a lot of my hair. Also, I didn't put all the clips in. I'll probably wear this out. They also said don't apply heat to it, so don't curl it, don't straighten it. It is, again, synthetic fibers. I can live my extension dream and it won't break the bank. I don't know what else to say about it except the fact that I'm gonna take it out and do the next one. I don't know why my camera looks yellow. Does my camera look yellow to you? So the last one I have here is the most excessively long, outrageous Ariana pony. I can't even get it in the frame. It's so long. It's called the Ariana. Apparently she wore this one in one of her music videos or something, or wore this at some point. It's stupidly long. This one is by insert hair name here. Insert name here, hair. This one's in platinum blonde. Definitely a lot less platinum than the Amazon platinum. Amazon platinum looks very, very fake platinum. This one looks more realistic. So much so that I think this matches my hair a lot better as well. It's pretty much exactly the same as the Maya. It did have the bit of crimp through it. I straightened it a tad. I feel like it looks more normal now. This part does come curled, I guess, to help it wrap around. The other one did come curled. I straightened it. I wasn't bothered to straighten this one. This retails, I think, for $65. Which I think is pretty good for a lot of hair. Feels real, looks real. I'm super impressed with how real this actually looks and feels. I was really kind of just expecting those fake wigs that you get from the party shop that are all tangled and really shiny and look anything but real. Basically the same as the Maya. This doesn't get easier. I wanted this. Again, secure it with a pin. It's resting on my leg. As I pull it apart, you can see my real hair underneath, but it's not too noticeable, I don't think. Let me stand up and show you how long this actually is. Look at this. It's touching my butt. This is super unnatural, but I really feel like if my Ariana Grande dream was anything, this would be it. This is don't go to the bathroom with this hair long. I'm a functional person. As much as I like nice things like long hair and fashion, this isn't functional. I'm the kind of person that gets dressed once a day, does my makeup once a day, goes to the gym every day. So doing my hair this once will then stop me going to the gym. I struggle enough to get to the gym, so I don't need another excuse to not get there. I might wear this to a party if I ever get invited to one. I think this is fun. Also, why buy a scarf when you could use your hair? Wrapping this up, out of the 4, this one's probably my favorite for fun factor. I was looking for some hair excitement. This has provided me with that hair excitement. Hair color matches well, probably the best out of the 3 ponies. Insert name here, hair is definitely the best quality of all 4 of them. Amazon, good try, but you're real cheap. The Maya pony is probably the most functional in terms of it's the easiest to put on, the most functional length. This piece in here, so much shorter, it looks natural. In terms of what looks most real and natural, I would have to say the clip-in extensions. Yeah, but it's time consuming and kind of annoying. I wish my natural hair was this long. Do any of you have hair this long? I'm gonna go and do something else with my day. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a like. I'd really appreciate it. Also, you should go follow me on Instagram. You can follow me at Amy_Leesha. You guys are great. I hope you're having a great day wherever you are, and I'm gonna go. Bye.